Tawa ako sa ano, sa question. Naranasan niyo na bang magkaroon ng wet dreams? Sa someone na random people or like, hindi mo naman nagustuhan pero like, what the fuck? Or hindi mo man lang nakausap yung tao na yun pero napaginipan mo siya. This one. You've probably had a sex dream about a person who you didn't want to. Who comes to mind first? Between dreams. Ako na naginip ako, pero nakalimutan ko na kung sino yung person na yun. Minsan naginip talaga ako sa mga person na parang nakasex ko sila. Pero nakalimutan ko na kung sino yung mga yun. Shit, napakaswerte naman nila. Ay, ito. This one is interesting question. Let others tell you what their first impression of you was. Anong first impression niyo sa akin? When you first saw me, what's your first impression? Ano, madikit ba? Malibog ba? Ganun. Mabait ba? Sexy girl? What's your first impression when you first saw me? Elsa, hello. Libog ba? Ganun. Masarap. Murph, hello. Ekis, hello. Mataray. Mukha ba mataray? Depende. Kapag wala sa mood, mataray ako. Your eyes capture my attention. Really? Oh, this one. Have you ever kissed or had a sex with someone knowing that he is in a relationship? Did the other half find out? No. I never like fuck or like kiss someone in like knowing that he is in a relationship. Oh no, oh no. Nope, I don't want karma to hit me. For real. Natakot sa karma, no? Medyo mahirap tong ano to. Meron ako 45 years old. Medyo mahirap tong question na to. Your partner gets a job offer. Siya naka-virgin sa akin. Hala! Ito. Your partner gets a job could mean you have to move abroad for 2 years. Would you go with him or would you have a long distance relationship for 2 years? Uh, wait, I can answer. I can answer the shit. I don't know. Should I go with him or like him or her? Yeah, depends. Depende. Paano kung magsa-aksya lang ako ng panahon pumunta doon, tapos puta, maghiwalay din kami, aray ko. Yeah, it depends. I don't have a relationship. No, ano nga lang eh, for example eh, masaya sa tingin ko, anong pipiliin nyo nga sasama kayo doon? Pupunta kayo sa, ano na yun, sa country na yun, kasama yung jowa mo ng 2 years, or like, LDR kayo ng 2 years? Nahanap ng iba. Totoo yan. Actually, minsan maganda rin LDR eh. Oo, like, para kayong sabik sa isa't isa, ganun. Pero minsan kasi, syempre, hindi rin may iwasan na mapatulan mo yung malalapit, minsan, ganun, kapag, yan, parang bigla mong na-miss na magkaroon ng something. Basta, LDR is for strong people. Kung di ka strong, huwag na lang. Baka maging cheater ka pa. Ryota. Ito. Have you ever farted and blame it on someone else? Yeah. Gago, nakutot ako. Tapos kunwari, hindi ako yung umutot. Hala, sinihin ang baho. Hala. Ang baho. Yok. Ganun-ganun ako. Kala mo talaga hindi ako yung umutot eh, no? Laro. Aray ko. Matik, di ba? Kunwari, hindi ka umutot eh. Pero kung kunwari yung someone na parang ko, pwede sagutin niyan, may anak ako, hahanap nga ng mommy. Ha? Ha? Good morning, Red. Wag to. Oh, this one. Wait lang. Your partner wants to have a threesome. You, him, and one person from the group here. Like, here. One person here. Eme. Who would you pick to be the third and why? D and A, hello. D A putang ina. Her mother? Oh my god. Is that a trick question? No. Sino pipiliin nyo? Kunwari sa room na to, kung merong babae man dito. Parang ako lang babae dito ah. Her best friend or like, best friend ng mga... If it's my partner, no, I don't want a threesome with my partner. But if it's another man and another woman, why not? Why not? Right? Because I don't like sharing though. Pero kung ibang lalaki yun, why not? Tapos hindi ko jowa. Na yung makita yung jowa ko, putang ina, kinakain yung titi niya sa harap-harapan ko. Putang ina mo, titi ko yan. Akin yung titi na yan. Ako lang, chuchu pa dyan. Oh my God. Wag to. Oh, this one. How many one-night stands have you done? No. Have you had? One-night stands. One-night stands? One?